whispering secrets to the ground. Windows fogged with gentle mist. In this quiet we are bound. Echoes of the world asleep softly touch the earth below. Tender moments in the rest. Midnight magic starts to flow. In the rainfall dreams we find peaceful hearts and tranquil minds. Underneath the starlit sky, every worry fades away. Feel the rhythm of the rain softly tapping on the pane. Melody that soothes the soul. In this moment we are whole. Close your eyes and drift away. Let the rain take you where it may. In its symphony we play, lost in rainfall dreams today.